Am I free?
Bukun.
Gagdi? Yes, sir. Don't take Gagdi.
Me za ka bude wani ka ce
Outside, I think. Thank you very much.
Right Honorable Betara Ali, and Right Honorable Gagdi are graciously accepted to step down and endorse the candidature of Honorable Abbas for the Speakership of the Federal House of Representatives. The President was quite touched by their gesture, because what binds us together is superior to whatever that divides us. We are one big APC family, and together we shall cross the Rubicon on Tuesday. We cannot thank them enough for their graciousness, and we want to commend the roles played by the Chief of Staff, Mr. President, by His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Niger State, by the leadership of the party, here represented by the Deputy National Chairman, North. I think our party members will keep a sigh of relief that with the big two elephants in the room, accepting to work as a collective, we believe that our house is in very good shape. We are good to go. And we will call on other candidates, Right Honorable Wase, Honorable Sada, Soli Gibia, and Right Honorable Aminu Jaji, to also see reason and collect their structures to the Abbas frame, so that as a family we can forge a better future for our dear nation. We do not enjoy the luxury of a fight in these trying times for our nation and for our party. Thank you very much.
Thank you.